You've seen it 100 times. The little button with the car and the loopy arrow. But do you know what it actually does? Most people don't, and they're totally missing out on its genius. Let me break it down for you. Alright, let's talk about one of the most underrated features on your car's dashboard. The air recirculation button. You've probably noticed it chilling near your AC controls, just minding its business. Some of you might hit it randomly, hoping for cooler air, while others avoid it altogether because, well, it's a mystery. But trust me, this button is a game changer if you know how to use it. Here's the deal. When you hit that button, your car says, "Alright, we're done pulling in that hot, sweaty outside air." And instead, recycles the air already inside your car. Why is that awesome? Because your AC doesn't have to work overtime to cool the hot air from outside. It just keeps rechilling the air that's already been cooled. It's like your car is running an indoor AC party and no outside air is invited. The result? Your car cools down faster, your AC stays efficient, and you stop feeling like a baked potato stuck in rush hour. But before you start pressing it every time you drive, here's a little heads up. It's not always the right choice. Sure, it's a hero in the summer, but in the winter, not so much. Here's why. Using recirculation mode when it's cold out traps moisture inside your car. That's bad news for your windows, which will fog up faster than you can say, "Why can't I see?" Instead, in cold weather, switch to fresh air mode. This pulls in air from outside, runs it through your car's heater, and keeps your cabin cozy without the fogged up horror movie vibe. Now let's talk about the times when this button rarely shines. If it's a scorching summer day and you're parked in the sun, hitting that recirculation button the second you turn on the AC is a pro move. Your car will cool down faster than your buddy who just needs a minute after a bad joke. Oh, and one more bonus tip. The recirculation button isn't just about staying cool. It also blocks outside odors. Stuck in traffic behind a garbage truck? Or maybe you're driving past a cow farm. Hit that button and you'll keep the stink out like a champ.